Good morning. Just heading down the trail here and have Ella with me. Yeah, we'll get going. It's okay. There we go. Yeah, just need convincing. And we're going to go down to the creek and see if there's any color in there. Well, not there. See if there's any color in the Chemainus River. And yeah, just having a fun day. And I said my prayers and I did my devotions and Bible study. And it was on, let's see, Deuteronomy, Leviticus. It was on Leviticus and talking about the holiness of God and the precision of God. Listen to all those birds song. That's beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, I'm praying for you, and I pray that God blesses your day. Love you. Bye-bye.